Gabe Kapler got his first ejection as a manager today, and it all came from this 0-2 pitch that hits Kingery in the hands. But he says, did he swing? Did he swing? And that ump says he's swinging. Whoa! I swung? How the fuck does that happen? I hardly moved at all. Kapler's coming out. He's got something to say. Ump says, hey, you swung, it hit your hand. And then Kapler's like, okay, let's take a look. It definitely hit his hand. That is pretty clear, right? Bam, there, okay? Hits his hand. Now, did he swing? Let's take the side angle. Looks like no swing to me. It's not even fucking close to a swing. Ump's like, well, he swung. Okay, so tell me what to do. He wants to challenge it, but the ump's going to tell him right now, well, because he swung, and so, yeah, yeah, he swung, so it's not reviewable. I can't help you on that one. He's like, well, I have to have a say in this because he didn't swing. He's like, okay, well, you're just going to have to move on. I'm sorry. Kapler's not going to move on. He's like, just change the fucking call so I can replay it. He's like, I'm not going to do that. You're going to have. He's like, not a swing. You have to give me an opportunity to have my say. I'm like, I'm going to give you one last chance. Okay, you're gone. Kapler's all pissed. That's bullshit. Screaming, yelling. All you had to fucking do, make that call safe. There is no fucking chance that he swung. That is a fucking terrible call by you. That's so fucking weak. I like this part. Don't ever put your hand next to me. That's fucking terrible. He's going to go around the bases. You suck. You suck. You suck. You suck. You all suck. Got to give me a chance. No, you didn't. Blah, 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 blah. He's like, I did. Ooh, kick some dirt on him there. Kick some dirt. Let's go back and check that out. Ooh, yeah. Kapler looks like he should be managing in L.A. Just way too cool to be a Philly manager. Philly managers got to be, like, disgusting looking. He's way too pretty. But he wanted them to change the call so we could review it. That's kind of crazy. Wrong call, though.